สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้จะพาเพื่อนๆมาทานอาหารนะคะที่361เป็นคาเฟ่นะคะสวยงามมากเลยใหญ่โตมากเดี๋ยวเราจะขึ้นไปชมข้างบนนะคะตอนนี้บ๊อบบี้กำลังบินโดรนอยู่นะคะจะได้เห็นได้ทั่วว่าสวยงามขนาดไหนบัฟเฟตชาบูที่361นะคะ This the room for get the food ค่ะ A lot thing is buffet 399 baht per person you can get ice cream which one you like
I like this one whatever it is
See, you can get food from this room. Go look. Wow.
This side here is pork.
Yeah, pork, this beef.
Beef here.
Which one you can choose? $3.99 per person. A lot, huh?
Good.
Wow. น่าสนใจ Very good, huh? $3.99 per person. You get food from this room and go to eat in this room. Very nice. You like it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we can come later.
Yeah.
Today we will meet Andrew and Kwan. Maybe we go to
Yeah. So you know it's over here, the 361 Cafe. This place is right a part of the building.
It's getting harder, you turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion, just to feel ya, cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think that I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. It's getting stronger, can't take no longer, walking on fire. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, cause I need to. Feels like I'm burning a little bit more, just a little bit more now. Taking the potion, just to feel ya, cause I need ya. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're not meant. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. 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 It's getting stronger. I think I'm overdosing.
ฮะ
Outdoor dining.
outdoor
Yeah,
go look
seating where you can go
yeah
sit.
go look
Just with the water running here.
Oh.
On the feature, it cools down.
wow
Feels cool. Okay, we're here with Andy and Quan to have lunch at the 361 Cafe. We just discovered it, and Andy said he's eaten here before, but we just discovered it yesterday at the trade fair in Surin. This is about 10 kilometers outside of town, so very close for us to kind of meet in the middle here and try out their menu.
what
So
you
we're-
order
I ordered a T-bone steak today. I'm gonna give it a try, so hopefully this will impress everybody. And
how about Andy
I had a tenderloin.
oh
We'll see.
and Kwan
Oh, what I order, I forget.
you order
burger.
Oh, you
what
ordered a
burger
burger?
fish burger fish burger or
Fish?
beef yeah
Oh.
I order beef
You got beef,
burger yeah
a beef hamburger. All right.
yeah
So we
Okay,
got
we
good
will
options
see.
to record then. Now this is what I'm talking about. There is a T-bone steak for you. Listen to it, still sizzling. Wow. And my two sides are right here. I got the gravy with some potatoes and veggies. I guess this is garlic that's cut right on top. Doesn't that look good? Cut into it and see what it looks like. Okay, Jai got the hamburger and French fries from 361.
nice
It's not huge, but it's plenty for a lunch meal. What do you think, Jai? What do you think about that?
very good
All right. Okay, Quan got the fish burger and fries. That looks pretty good too. What do you think, Quan?
อร่อย
Okay, let's see now. Waiting for Andrews to come. And Andy finally got his. Look at that thing. It's got a nice sizzle going on it too. And would you say this is a tenderloin?
Right.
Wow. Very nice.
โอนสเต็กกับเครื่องเคียง
I must have forgot you.
ทานมาก
Jai is going to get a
อ๋อ
sample of my T-bone. Tender, huh? Okay, Jai is going to try to wrap around this big old hamburger. Get a bite. Get a bite. Oh yeah. Let's see how good you did. Turn that hamburger around here. Let's look at it. Oh, that's a tiny little bite. Oh, Quan going after it now. Okay, we got the bill for mine and Jai's steak and hamburger. It was 1,225 baht, and I assume that includes our 2 drinks. So not too bad. I'll put in the comments how much, or I'll leave the amount in the video, how much that translates out to the US dollars. So, hope you like this content. If you reach down, mash the like and subscribe, would appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.